everybody, I'm Brooke, and I'm here to show you the Gabby from Croc Kids. This awesome Mary Jane inspired slingback is made of croc-like, so it's super soft, lightweight, flexible, and uber comfy. You've got a strap here and a strap here that are just for style, and they're going to keep them on her feet. Super nubby footbed's gonna massage her with every step, promoting good circulation, and it's all on top of this sweet outsole that's nubbed as well to keep her stable on a variety of surfaces. And don't forget, her feet aren't supposed to touch any of these sides. Go on and move up the social ladder by adding some sass and spunk in those steps with the Gabby from Croc Kids.